Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you what to do in case you do not receive your WhatsApp verification code. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your mobile. Now when you're trying to log into your WhatsApp, and now once you enter your phone number and tap on next, you should receive a verification code on your WhatsApp. However, if you're not receiving a verification code on WhatsApp, make sure that you've entered the correct phone number. So when you enter your phone number and you get this pop-up, you'll see the edit option. So if it is incorrect, tap on edit and then you'll be able to edit your phone number, insert the correct phone number, and then you'll be able to receive the verification code on your mobile. However, if you're not receiving your verification code on your mobile, the next thing you're going to do is go ahead and contact WhatsApp support. For that, you'll be able to see the three dotted icon that appears on top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. After that, you'll be redirected to contact support page on WhatsApp. Now go ahead and describe your issue. Describe how you're not receiving your verification code on your mobile, even if you've entered the correct phone number. You can either do this or visit their website by tapping on Visit Our Help Center. This will redirect you to Help Center of WhatsApp. If you scroll down enough, you'll be able to see the Contact Us option. Tap on it. Now under WhatsApp Messenger support, tap on Contact Us. First, you're going to enter the phone number in which you're not receiving your verification code. After that, enter your email address, confirm that email address. Select the device in which you use WhatsApp. If it's Android, select Android. If it's any of the given options, select that and enter the message below, which means here under this section, you're going to report your issue, which is you're not receiving your verification code, even if you've entered the correct phone number. After that, you'll simply tap on the next step button that appears on the bottom of your screen. Then this report will be sent to WhatsApp and WhatsApp will get back to you within a certain amount of time and your issue should be resolved. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.